Hello and welcome to your 15-minute practice. We are going to start seated for this one. You can take your hands to your belly. You can sit however you like, by the way. Take a big deep breath into your belly and a breath out. Big deep breath in and a breath out. Deep breath in and a breath out. Now take your hands to your knees and we are going to do some hip circles. One way. And the other way. Take your right hand to the mat, left arm all the way up and over. Take it back to the mat, left palm on the mat, right palm up and over. Waking up that side body, creating space for breath. And then come to all fours. We're going to warm up the spine. As you breathe in, tailbone up, look up. As you breathe out, tailbone tucks. Create space between the shoulder blades, look at your belly. Breathe in, eliminate the space between your shoulder blades. Tailbone up, look up. And out, down the back. In, arch the back. And out, dome. Come back to neutral. Take your right foot out straight, so your right leg is straight. Right foot is on the mat and tiptoes. And we rock back and forth, warming up those feet that do so much work for us. Shoulders away from the ears, jaw is relaxed. Amazing. Switch it out, left leg straight and rock back and forth. Back to all fours, and this time take your right leg out but to the side. I'll come face you to show you. You can stay as you are. The inner edge of your right foot is on the mat and we rock back and forth. You can even take your bum all the way to your left heel. You can tuck the toe of your left heel if that feels good. And we rock. Opening up the inner thigh. This can also really help with any pubic discomfort you might have. Lovely, take it to the other side. So right knee comes under your right hip, left leg comes out and rock. Then come back to all fours and come to sit on your heels. And clasp your hands behind you. I'm going to do a big chest opening. So take your hands and push them towards your heels. As you open the shoulders, you open the chest, you can even lift your head up. You can close the eyes if that feels good. Clasp your hands in front of you as if you're hugging a beach ball, and take your navel back. Look at your belly, dome the back, big opening in the back of the shoulders, the upper back. Let's do that again. Clasp your hands behind you, palms towards the heels. You can look up if you like. And then shoulders, hands meet in front. Dome that back and breathe. Lovely, come back to all fours. This time I'd like you to take your legs as wide as the mat. So your knees come out and your toes can come to touch. And you come back to a child's pose. Forehead can be on the mat or on a block, a rolled up sweater. You can even roll up your mat. Breathe here. And then take your right hand off the mat to the right and your left hand on top of it. And lower your forehead again between your arms. Big opening to the side. Take it to the other side, so your left arm comes all the way up and off the mat on the left, right palm on top, forehead between the arms, and breathe into your right side. Amazing, come back to all fours. So come back to the middle first with both your palms and take your palms next to your face, push up, and we're back in all fours. Now take your palms all the way to the front of the mat and melt your chin down for a puppy pose. You can widen the legs as much as you want here to give space for your belly. Breathe here. Hold on to baby slightly, so slight contraction in the abdominal muscles, just to protect your lower back. And if it feels good, you can even bend the arms here and take your palms to the nape of your neck for an extra opening in the upper arms. Just breathe here. Great. Take your palms back to the mat on either side of your face, push up. And then switch to a seat. So come in your bum. Your legs are bent. Then we take our right ankle over the left knee for a figure 4 stretch. You can sway your left leg side to side if that feels good, or you can stay still. Your palms are on the mat, supporting you. You can take this as wide as you need. Just make sure there's enough space for your belly and that you also still feel the stretch in your outer right hip. And switch it out. Left ankle comes on your right knee. You can sway side to side. Amazing. Take both feet back to the mat. We're going to move to our final pose, comfortably on your side, any side you like. And with your upper arm, you can make a pillow for your head. Get comfy. You can also take a pregnancy pillow if you have one, put it between your knees, but you don't have to. Your free upper arm can be on your belly, lying on your side. Take a big deep breath in and a breath out. You can close the eyes. So you breathe into your belly and out. Next breath in, also breathe into your back, to your sides, to your belly, everything expands, and then out. Let's do that again. Biggest breath you took all day, and out. Just breathe, come back to your normal breath. Thank yourself for showing up on the mat. For giving your body some space. And then push into your hands to come up to a seat. And that's it. Thank you very much for practicing with me. Check out any other videos I have on the channel, and I wish you a very happy pregnancy and a good day. Ciao!